Good day, ladies and gentlemen. It's Kyle here just to do a quick little walkthrough on how to purchase cryptocurrency with a super easy app called Crypto.com. It is there. There's a referral link down in the description, which I will get to in a little bit. But it's a very easy way to buy cryptocurrencies with your debit card, credit card, all on your phone. As an exchange, it's on your phone. As I said, it's a little app, so it's nice and easy. One of the main perks is it has a debit card that has cash back. Again, depending on how much of the CRO token you buy and lock into a somewhat of a savings account, you can unlock different tiers which have increasing rewards, which we'll go to right now. Right? So you don't need to lock anything, right? To get this blue card, which is plastic, it's not the metal one, but you get 1% cash back, and that's completely free. All you have to do is ask for it within the phone app. Of course, the perks get better as you do 1,000 CRO, 10,000 CRO, 100,000 CRO, 1 million CRO, and the benefits just increase from there. Not only does your cash back increase 2%, 3%, 5%, 8%, the very first tier, outside of the free one, pays 100% of your Spotify. When you pay for your Spotify account with the card, they will reimburse you $12, I think, in CRO every month to pay for your Spotify account, which is really nice. And then, of course, as you go up above, it'll pay for your Netflix, for Prime, and then discounts in Expedia, and a bunch of other slew of things, percent off at Airbnb, and all sorts of slewy things. You can check this out on the website, of course. Now, I think that's about it for this. So we're getting into the referral, right? So it's not only me, and it's not trying to shill you on it so I can make money. You can make money on it as well. $50 for both of us up until Halloween for now, and then $25 thereafter. It's a really good referral program, of which once you have your own account, you can share with friends and help spread the wealth. Which right now is a really good time, right? Because everyone's FOMOing into Bitcoin or Ethereum for the most part. As you can see, Crypto.com is down 31%. The 6-month lock period, which is when you do the card and lock up funds, it's 6 months that you won't be able to touch it, but you're receiving dividends this whole time. So it's like a really good savings account, actually, because what is it? It's like 10% right now. I have to get back to you on that, because it's been unlocked for a lot of people, the 6-month one, and so they took their funds and moved it into Bitcoin and Ethereum. So right now, just to get this red card, that 1,000 CRO costs $100 roughly to get your Spotify paid for, and 2% cash back. So really good deal. I think that's about for the basics. This video is just to walk through a simple purchase to show you how easy it is to get into cryptocurrency now, all within your phone with debit or credit card. So no further ado, let's jump into the app.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we're inside the app. Lots of stuff here, lots of numbers. We're going to keep it straight and simple because we're just here to buy something. Down at the bottom, little white bar, home, accounts, little blue guy, track, and card. We are going to hit accounts. And at the top, crypto wallet, we are buying something, so we're adding something to our wallet. So we'll click that one. Buy, sell, pay, and transfer. Again, we're buying something, so buy. List of cryptocurrencies come up. I must say that I am not a financial advisor, so legally I cannot tell you what to buy. You have to take responsibility for your own actions, which is part of what cryptocurrency is about. Taking back responsibility, or giving back responsibility to the people for their own funds, wealth, investments, all those good things. So it behooves of you to do your own research and to know what it is you're investing in, at least a little bit. You don't have to be an expert on it, but have a rough idea. Know what it is you're throwing your money at. It only makes sense, and it really doesn't take all that long. There's tons of YouTube videos out there explaining a lot of different things, and so yeah. What I can tell you though, no, it's not on here this time, but if you see MCO, there's no point in buying that one, as it is becoming delisted and unused. It's Crypto.com's old utility token. They used to have two, and they are getting rid of the MCO and going all in with the CRO. Now, moving on. So, most people know of Bitcoin, so we're just going to go with Bitcoin. Click it there. You will have to add a credit card or a debit card same spiel, normal stuff. You know, put in your credit card number and expiration date and all those fine things, right? Normal stuff. And the big numbers, you can finagle these things to how much you want, you know, 0.01 or even 0.001, or you can go for the whole big daddy of 1 Bitcoin. And you see that blue button saying buy 1 BTC. When you're ready to make your purchase, just hit that. The confirmation page comes and you would just hit confirm at the bottom. I'm not going to do that, I'm not buying a Bitcoin. And so after you would do that, normally your first transaction would be blocked. And that's a normal thing. You just have to call your bank and tell them that you wish to have that purchase go through. Banks look at it and see any purchase of a cryptocurrency as fraudulent. Of course, because cryptocurrencies are, again, in direct competition to the banking system. So they don't really like it all that much. But again, I'm not going to get into them. And so after you make the purchase and call the banking system to make the purchase, you would have to make the second purchase now that the bank has allowed it. And it wouldn't take too long, usually only a couple minutes, and you'll see Bitcoin show up down in there in the little box, and you'll see the total balance USD funds will have the equivalent of what you just purchased. So yeah, super simple, really easy, especially, oh my gosh, so much more easier than when I first got in. So super easy. I hope this video has helped you, and if it has, do the old like thing, you know? And yeah, I will see you next time. Bye.